Okay, I want to talk a second about these valve covers. Um, these are the original Corvette magnesium valve covers. I've already stripped these down. You can still see remnants of the old coating. I don't know if that was a powder coating or what, but it was kind of like that tannish color. Anyway, these are cast magnesium, and magnesium is a really funky material because it's like aluminum, but then it's not. And magnesium, unlike aluminum, kind of corrodes pretty bad. You can see this side looks this way, this side looking not so hot. Anyway, I cleaned these up as best as I could, and I just threw some high temp paint on them. Ford blue is all I had, so oh well. Anyway, but you're going to notice that the casting is not really kind of a pretty thing. It's definitely kind of a rough cast material from the factory. They weren't finished real nice, so when you go to repaint them, they're still going to have a kind of crinkly finish to them. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. You're not going to come across magnesium parts very often, but these do have to be thoroughly cleaned from this original coating, because underneath it, as the magnesium corrodes, it that kind of dark gray blackish material, that's actually the corroded magnesium. So I'm gonna keep cleaning these up, throw some paint on it, and try to seal these up again for the third time, because for whatever reason, even though these valve covers are brand new and the gasket was brand new, it's leaking like crazy. The transmission pan is not leaking as far as I can tell, so that's fixed. But anyway, just kind of an interesting side note. What magnesium parts look like. They're kind of rough.